Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video, I hope this video will help you how you can add network camera in Windows 11. So what you want to do, I hope this will help you, probably not, but it's a try. Go on the bottom and right click on the start, click settings. Then when it's going to load, click Bluetooth and devices. And then you would have like all devices here, and you want to click on cameras. And you have like add a network camera, and you're gonna like search for it, and that's pretty much it. Like I don't know any other solution comparing like to if you can connect in Windows 10, try to find if anyone had some kind of problems with it, but this is the only way how I know right now how you can connect the network camera in Windows 11. If you know the solution, if you found out the solution, write it down below in the comments so when other people will come here. Yep. So goodbye.